Brother.
So call me, maybe.
Hello, maybe.
Ooh, hey, they're rezzing, by the way. They're back at where we killed.
What?
You should just wait for helicopter.
Corman! Corman! Corman!
I'm not Corman.
Corman!
You stressed me out.
Well, go to Corman, pick up the stupid paddles, instruct the shit out of them or me. Yeah, that a boy.
Is this the pistol guy? Who is this?
I'm the pistol guy. This is the taser guy.
Oh.
A dumber one. I'm dumb, but he's dumber.
He's actually right.
Wait,
Fuck.
do that again. Thank you.
Fucking me. As I'm the one that called you a constantly. I rarely have voice cracks.
Work quick spawn.
You're still
Quick spawn.
tiny.
You're still northern. Yeah.